Hello everybody and welcome to Excel Made Easy. This is your Excel crew with a new feature today of MS Excel called Conditional Formatting, and here I would be discussing the top and the bottom rules. And conditional formatting part 1 I have already discussed, highlighting cell rules. Alright, so this time we are working upon top and bottom rules. I'll be using the same Excel sheet that we had used in the last exercise, and herein conditional let me just briefly touch upon the topic of conditional formatting. It allows you to orient your data or to arrange your data visibly so that you can see specific things by color codings. If you want to see the lowest result coded in red color, if you want to see the highest performer coded with green color, that is what you can do. So you will be able to just understand what is happening with your work or with your data just by looking at it. It's a wonderful thing to know. And see, for example, what we can do is we will take this example of a store which sells LCDs, and these are the months, these are the units targets, and these are the targets achieved. So let us see what can we do, what all can be done with this. I'll select this range. First of all, it's very important. If you want to do conditional formatting, you need to select a range. I've selected this range. Now I'll click on the home tab and the conditional formatting tab, and I'll go to the top bottom rules. So here the first option is top 10 items. I'll click on top 10 items, and it says format cells that rank in the top 10. So, and it will allow you to choose a color. Say for example I choose green. Alright, so all the top 10 items out of a large set of numbers would be assigned the color green, so that you will be able to see and tell, okay, these are the top 10 items. And the same way, uh, this top 10 range can actually be brought down or taken up, either way. You see, isn't it cool? So that is what it is. So I'll go ahead and remove this conditional formatting for to proceed further. So clear rules from selected cells. Okay, rules gone. And top 10%. Okay, this is another unique thing. Format cells that rank in the top 10%. You can again vary this percentage amount: 10, 20%, 17%. See, simply type in the value too, and you can choose the color. Color is of your own choice. You can even choose a custom format. How do you want it? Underneath line, color, automatic. All this can be done by you. So top 10%. So this thing will help you to just see which are the top 10 percentage rankings in your database just by finding it. It saves you a lot of time. And then I move to the bottom 10, which is exactly the opposite of the top 10 items. See, the bottom 10 items get highlighted away. You can choose a color of your own choice over here. And then the next one is bottom 10%, which is again the opposite of top 10%. Very handy things. You won't believe what all I have done with these formulas. I am into a lot of data crunching and all, and this helps me a lot. It saves me time. So see, we were able to find the the bottom 10% rank holder over here, which is the month of April. See, and then comes above average, a nice thing to have. It will see here, and Excel is doing multiple functions for you. The Excel is actually calculating the average of this range automatically. You can see that average over here. See, and then it is formatting those cells which are above the average with a specific color of your choice. You can have them say in green, yellow. See, the 25 you see in red color. This is the bottom 10 rule that got applied over here. So this is how it is works. And let me just remove this formatting. Multiple formattings can run at a single point of time. You just have to be careful so that you yourself don't get one doesn't get confused himself. So I removed the formatting over here. I hope you saw what I did. And then the below average again, see, it gives you a visual representation of the day of the data in red, that these are the months where the performance was below average. Isn't it cool? It is, yes. So the Excel file that you're looking at, on which I'm working right now, is available on my website, http colon right slash excelmadeeasy.weebly.com, or as you call it simply, www.excelmadeeasy.weebly.com. It's available for free download. You can go over there and download it for free, just to practice, or just to follow along, or just to keep it with you for reference. All right. And my video is hosted on my website, which is on YouTube. This is my channel, Excel Made Easy, and you can subscribe to it just by signing in and signing up, so that next time you won't have a trouble finding me on YouTube. And whenever there is a new update by me, a new video which almost I do on a daily basis, you'll find a new update from my end. And if you like what I'm doing, you can go ahead and like me over here, or not like me over here, and you can even add a comment so that I can know what I'm doing, whether it has to be done better or not. So give your feedback on that part. I'd appreciate it. On my website there are links for my social networking pages like Facebook and Twitter. So if you like it, do like us on Facebook also. I hope the video was good and you liked it. So this is the Excel Guru signing off for the day. Have a wonderful day ahead. Happy Excel learning.